Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at how to draw an ellipse again. This is a continuation of my previous video. The difference here is instead of taking a cylinder, I've actually taken one of the drawings from the textbook. It's a worked out example and we're going to work on that. Now, so what you're looking at here, this is the isometric view. Okay, so you're looking, this is the front view. So if I'm looking at this object from this direction, this one is a front view, that's the auxiliary view, okay, and this is the right side view. Okay, so what are we doing? We're going to look at the isometric view. We've drawn the front view, which is here, projected and drawn the auxiliary view here, and then get to the side view, which is here. Now in the side view you notice that we have two elliptical profiles. So in the true shape you have a circular profile here and a circular profile here. Now the inside one is the through hole, which is here, and the outside one is the edge. Okay, I'm just going to quickly clean this up so I can have a clean slate again, and then we'll start. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw the right side view or the elliptical profiles in the right side view by using the projection lines or projection points from the front view. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now, so here in my drawing I've got the front view. Okay, so I've got a front view here. Okay, and I've projected all the lines, so I could draw an auxiliary view on the right hand side. A right side view on the right hand side. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to first step draw my front view, second step all my projection lines, and then third step get ready to draw my right side view. Now for my ellipse, as we saw in the previous video, we know that we need a center point and a point on the major axis and a point on the minor axis. So for the inside hole, which is that, I've got points here. I've got that line, I've got the projection line, the top and the bottom projection lines, and then I've got another projection line, which is my center line. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing. I'm going to make the screen a little bigger. Okay, so center line, and then I've got another center line here, so the intersection of them would be my center point for my ellipse. If I'm going to draw the hole is inside, therefore I've got the point of intersection for minor axis and the point of intersection for the major axis. So go ahead and select place ellipse. Now you do have three methods. I'm going to use center. I think the center method is the easiest method. So pick that up. Make sure that you have your snaps on and you've turned off your grid lock. I'll repeat that again. Turn your snaps on and turn off your grid lock. So as a point of intersection, and if I read the prompt on the right hand side bottom corner, it says identify center point, and that's my center point. Now again, if I read the prompts at the bottom, it says identify right end of the ellipse. Since I'm drawing the inside the hole, I'm going to select that point, and then for the minor axis point I'm going to select the topmost point. So now I have, let me go back to my image, I have the hole, which is a circular hole in the true shape, but in the right side view it's an elliptical profile. Now coming back, I've got this outer edge that I haven't completed yet, and I've projected the line. Okay, now if you look at the outer edge, okay, I've got that point, okay, which is the topmost point. However, this and this is the same point in the front view, which is 1, 2 and 3. So they are the major axis endpoints and the center point. In the front view, they are all one behind the other. Okay, so I'm going to say ellipse again, place ellipse, and I'll say I want to pick up the center point, and I want that's my major axis. And again, I'll say please make sure you select your use your snaps, because you might think you're selecting the right point, but when you zoom in you might find a slight mismatch. Now once that's done, all I need to do is say trim multiple, select the cutting line, the edge to be cut, and I'm done. So now I have the right side view, which has an elliptical profile, which I've completed in my drawing. So I've got front view and right side view. I hope this video was useful. Keep practicing and prepare well for your tutorial. Thank you for watching.